neo-humanism and sustainable development. This panoramic world is the thought projection of cosmic entity, and all are the progeny of Supreme Father. Human beings long for all-round development in every sphere of life for happiness. This path of development may be physical, psychic, and spiritual. Since the physical world is limited, hence it cannot quench the thirst of our unlimited happiness. So is the case with the mental world, which needs mental pabulum. Here comes the role of new humanism. The humanism newly explained and sermonized by Shri Shri Anandamurti. New ethics, moral values, and good conduct are part and parcel of neo-humanism. Neo-humanism is the seed which sprouts into a tree, which gives fruits in the form of peace, happiness, love, wisdom, compassion, fearlessness, so on and so forth. Baba Shri Shri Anandamurti Ji has given us the seed of new humanism to be planted and nourished with our labor and dedication. Spirit of service and love. To yield fruits at the right time. According to Shri Shri Anandamurti Ji, one has to follow the path of, one has to follow the path subjectively, the subjective path, through, or we can say, one has to move subjectively with objective adjustment. We cannot ignore this material world. Hence, we should strive for scientific innovations to make our life comfortable. We need to build a society where everyone gets ample opportunity to develop oneself in all the strata of existence, physical, mental, and spiritual. In this journey, morality will be the base, sadhana the means, and life divine the goal. Morality means practice of moral principles, yama and niyama, in everyday life. We need to follow Bhagavad Dharma, which has 4 pillars: Vistar, expansion; Ras, flow; Seva, selfless service; and Tadisthiti, self-realization. Spirituality is not a utopian idea. It is pragmatic, which can be practiced in our day-to-day life with sincerity. Spirituality is internal journey, devoid of all types of narrow sentiments, geo sentiment, socio sentiment, and religious sentiment. For a humanist, there is only one ism, and that is universalism. That everyone in this world is an expression of supreme entity. New Humanism facilitates our journey from crude to subtle, and in this blissful journey, every one of us has equal birthright. We have to develop a social order wherein the basic necessities, food, shelter, clothes, medicines, and education are guaranteed for everyone. When our love, when human love transcends all the boundaries of humanism to include all animate and inanimate objects, we land in the world of new humanism. We have to take care of the plant and animal kingdoms. New humanism will make us realize that we thoughtful and intellectual humans have to take the responsibility of preserving the eco-friendly environment, saving the endangered species of flora and fauna from extinction, and protecting our rivers, mountains, oceans, and our earth from destruction. Baba says, you have to accept the responsibility, greater responsibility of taking care of the universe with the spirit. What? विश्व जनेर पाएर तले धूली मैज भूमि सेई तो स्वर्ग भूमि सबाई निये सबार माझे लुकिए आछो तुमी सेई तो आमार तुमी So, we have to plan in such a way that our development becomes sustainable in nature. New humanism is the elixir of sustainable development of humanity in all the strata of existence, physical, mental, and spiritual. The endeavor to merge the unit mind with the cosmic mind is the true yoga. Yoga is for all-round development and hence should be practiced with utmost sincerity. Baba says, this is your moral responsibility to bring the society to the path of spirituality so that a feeling of love for all can be generated in each one of us.